This place is beyond creepy. So right now, we are inside an abandoned hospital, mate.
Sick.
We're gonna go explore it. So somebody set the alarm off. So I swear it wasn't like that last time. Maybe it was. This is the Royal Hospital in Liverpool. It's fully abandoned. And there is security. What's that noise?
That's some of all the biohazard shit.
Mate, there's like a generator on in there. I'm not going in there. This is scary. This is scary. It actually is creepy. Yeah, it's just that floor, I think. Smells rough in here. There's a siren as well. This is like some zombie shit, this. Some Call of Duty.
Okay, so.
No unauthorized personnel. Why do I feel like...
Whoa.
Oh, why do I feel like we're outside?
I don't know. It's weird.
Oh.
Oh my god.
No, it definitely smells like a hospital.
This is fucking huge.
This is absolutely sick, but creepy at the same time.
Inside me.
Jesus. Look at this, man. Fully abandoned hospital. And this isn't like a small hospital. This place is huge. And that camera looks very new.
Yeah. Sick. Hope we don't get sick.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get ill for being in there. Lavatory coat needed in there. I'm not messing about with shit like that. If it says you need a coat and shit like that and gloves, and I'm not going in. So obviously you need a lavatory coat. Well, there's plenty of them. Hmm? Jeez, that's a lot of fucking signs. Laboratories. Camera systems. Showers. This place is beyond creepy. I imagine being here by yourself.
We can get this ready.
I just don't like this one. Got all the chemicals in there. Where's the stairs? Ah. I kind of want to go a feet down. The alarm is still active down here. Should we just keep going? We've got some blood. And then we got an infection hazard. This door's locked at all times. Nah, I'm good. Jesus! Let's keep going. This whole building's going off. Yes, lad. Getting a bit of fresh air, mate.
Fresh air, mate. I can't breathe in here.
It's creepy, man.
Don't speak to you, man. That's not Christian.
What the fuck? Laat hem in Walking Dead of something. I don't like these at all. I really don't. Just look at it in here. We're on, what floor are we on now? 5. Second.
Oh, second.
So we're now on the first floor of the Liverpool Royal Hospital.
Yeah.
That reassures me that people are being in here. And fucking how many alarms are going off? Fire exit that way. This looks more alright, you know, this place. Where we can make more noise. Lecture theatres. So they do have security here. It's fucking alarmed, but the alarms are going off anyway. Where's it lead though? The lights are going on. Well, the automatic door works. Welcome to the Duncan building. This is like theatre and stuff, I think. Hi, I've got an appointment at, what time is it? I've got an appointment at 3:30, please.
3:30, let me check.
Yeah, I'm in theatre in about 25 minutes.
Yeah, so who are you seeing?
What?
Who are you seeing?
Me, I'm going in at theatre.
Oh, right.
Cheers, mate. Right, I'm off. And we're out. So we just explored that entire hospital. We didn't explore everywhere because it's just too big, but yeah, fucking knackered. I feel ill.